Hello everyone, my name is the Darkfire, and today I am doing a video on my new vintage computer. This is the iBook G3 Clamshell. Particularly, this is the blueberry model. So, right off the bat, that's missing. I got this used. I'm not sure where that is. I wish it had it. That would make me so happy, because this isn't missing anything but that. Anyway, the handlebar, for those who know a lot about clamshells, these break easy, along with a lot of these things that's lost easy too. The handbar is pretty badly destroyed, and the bottom's pretty scratched up. Anyway, so this is a clamshell. It has 32 megabytes of onboard memory, a 300 megahertz processor, and a 3 gigabyte hard drive. So this has been in no way modified except for a RAM upgrade to add 256 megs. So it's about 280 something. Anyway, it has a CD drive on the left side with its power button, or not power, but port. And on the left side, it has an audio out, a single USB 1.0, an Ethernet and dial-up port, because this is still a 90s computer. In the front, it opens up like a clamshell and has a single mono speaker with the power button. The see-through keyboard's pretty nice addition, and the mouse is clickety. Seems to work well. Now, believe it or not, this actually works. I'm surprised it does. For a long time it didn't, and I actually just got it working again. Ends up there's a couple things wrong with it, but it works for what it is. Hear that? You're gonna hear it. Ooh, that spinning sound. Alright. So, this is running macOS 9.2, and in the next video we're going to actually mess around with operating systems. For instance, trying to install the beta and first versions of macOS X, and a couple other things, because this is a computer that was built in the time that was the transition between the two, so it actually can run both pretty well, kind of like the G3 and G4. G4 being right there, and the G3 being up there. Now, I have a mouse and stuff for this, because it's all blueberry colored. I have a lot of blueberry things now, but I think this is going to work just fine. Anyway, again, I got this used and I haven't wiped it yet, so I'm going to do that later, probably in the next video. We're going to wipe it with a new operating system. 3 gigabytes of RAM, or not 3 gigabytes of RAM, I wish. 3 gigabytes of hard drive space should be enough for it. It boots up pretty darn slow. I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so it's on. As you can see, it's running macOS 9.2.2. It has 288 megabytes of RAM, and it's using a large amount of virtual memory, believe it or not. Actually, it has a program on here, that can create a RAM disk, and I think that's pretty interesting. So, the time's very, very off. It says 2004, but it's not 2004. This is a very millennial computer, actually. It's like the Windows ME era kind of thing, but not really. It's like 1999 or something. I think it's cool. Anyway, this computer, it's a lot of leftover programs from the person that last used it, and I'm going, in the next video, to change that. I'm going to install macOS 10 beta previews, just to see how well it would run. Then, I'm going to regularly install macOS 9.2. This computer in its natural state. If I had like a gray, or not gray, it's the name escapes me, but If I had the gray iBook, I'd probably install a permanent version of 10.4 or something like the G4 has, but I think this is good. I like this. I think 9.2 is much better. Plus, you know, 9.2 has very nice themes that make it match its color. Jeez, the condition of this thing's not great. There's cracks everywhere. Anyway, I gotta show you something. This thing, oops, this thing actually flips up. Or if it doesn't have an airport card, it would normally go here and just hook on like that. Card goes right there, and CD-ROM's right here. The reason I'm choosing, part of the reason I'm choosing the first version of 10 is because it actually installs from a CD, which is fine. I know a couple of versions actually do, but I think it's fun to see the beta previews when it was first being created. More like, is it the Unix that it was based off of, or is it more like Mac OS 9? I'm curious, because I've actually never seen it before, so it's going to be a pretty blind reaction. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.